The following contest is a Gauntlet Match. The rules of the match are as follows. Two superstars will start in the ring. When one superstar is eliminated, a new superstar enters. Elimination can occur by pinfall, submission, or disqualification. The match continues until one superstar remains, and that superstar will be declared the winner.
And the bell has started this gauntlet match. One superstar will take on as many superstars as they can before they succumb to the strain or go the distance.
The going the distance part is the biggest challenge of this match. The difference in stamina between you and each fresh competitor is often too big of a hurdle to overcome. Some would call that showing off, but what a display. What a way to flaunt your abilities.
Oh, God, that hurt. Ooh! Slammed down. Oh, God. He's heading up top.
Thinking big.
From the top. Diving elbow drop. Are you kidding me? When you're competing in a gauntlet match, what's the biggest mistake you can make?
If you're an early entrant, you can't lose hope when you're exhausted and a fresh competitor heads to the ring. But if you're a late entry, you can't be too confident.
Up high. All the way to the outside. Took a leap of faith and connected perfectly. This could be just what they needed.
Thrown back in under the ropes.
Cross body.
Attacks from the arsenal of Montez Ford. Here's a cover. Could be it. Got it. No, just a two.
Getting that shoulder up now is huge. Oh, meet the backside of an elbow.
Montez Ford getting ready. Watch out. Great wherewithal on the counter. Face first off the post.
Stomping. Ouch. Dodges. Knee strike.
Oh, and back of the elbow.
Inverted face lock.
Driven down with an elbow to the heart. A show of disrespect from Frazier.
Snapmare takedown.
Seated drop kick.
And he throws the opposition back into the ring. Looking for a little bit of high risk here, it seems. Sky high.
High impact missile drop kick. Climbing up top, he's got big plans.
Lift off.
From the heavens, Montez Ford. What a frog splash.
The cover.
This is far from over. We got 4 more entrants ready to enter.
Look who's on the way to the gauntlet.
Definitely looking to take care of business tonight.
SmackDown is live here tonight, over 20 years on the air, and it's been home to some of the very best ever to step foot in the squared circle.
Some of the greatest of all time.
That turns it around for Montez.
Oh my, a jumping DDT.
Absolutely planted.
Oh, close
clothesline.
And Montez is really dialed in right now.
There's incredible impact with every maneuver Ford delivers.
Vicious right forearm. Clothesline! Oh, that'll leave a mark.
No, no, no! Somersault plancha to the floor. That is tossing your own body around without a care.
Taking no account for their own well-being. Rock bottom!
And now thrown back into the ring.
Big forearm.
Showing a lot of fury with these attacks.
It's a sign he's got his opponent figured out. Tombstone maneuver coming. Wait, no.
Lung blower!
Wow.
Is it enough?
And easily kicks out of the count.
Not even close.
Oh, what a DDT! Wow. He avoids the damage. Uh-oh. We're gonna see it. Right to the back of the net. Lighten up the chest.
Jumping stop to the gut. Oh, kick connects. Headed to the top now.
His eyes are fixated. He's looking to end this.
Up high.
Oh, wait a second. Caught in midair.
Big slam.
Saw that one coming. Took advantage.
Landing on top of the skull.
Fails to connect on the springboard. Oh.
Talk about devastation. DDT!
Montez Ford getting ready. Blast off. What a missile drop kick. Woo. Up the turnbuckles.
What's he gonna do?
To the sky. Bang. Fortune favors the bold. These risks could be a winning strategy.
A big kick to the gut.
Then a thunderous forearm to follow.
Such intensity from Ford.
Yeah, Ford is proving hard to keep up with.
And he saw that coming from Montez.
Oh, this is just too far. Get some control in there. Oh, look at this aggression, just pure brutality.
Come on, easy. And Tez was expecting that. Vicious right forearm. Vicious, downright savage club right there. Another big move. 5-star frog splash. Going up top. Staggering to his feet, but he won't like what's coming.
From the top rope.
Good gravy. Answered with a powerful slam.
These superstars' bodies must be racked with it. He may get the 3 count right here.
This is it. Out they go, but we still have 3 more superstars chomping at the bit to win this gauntlet match. So who's next? The one and only Axiom is ready to make some noise.
He can do it here. A kick out to stay alive.
Somehow, some way.
Oh, did you see that?
When you have the skill, you flaunt it, and you make it hurt, too.
No! Oh, that'll break his arm.
Vicious.
Ooh, bullseye. An incredible athleticism. Oh, yeah. Axiom stepping up.
Seems more like he's stepping in it.
He switches it back around.
Oh, hard check.
Ooh.
What a shot!
Oh, this is just too far. Get some control in there. Oh, look at this aggression, just pure brutality.
Come on, easy.
Stop! Sure seems to be getting out of there in a hurry.
A chance to get his thoughts together and regroup.
He's tied up. Face breaker.
Axiom at the mercy of his opponent.
Axiom now just trying to survive.
Combo of strikes.
Just a clinic.
Ooh, skull rattling. Uh-oh.
No way.
Doesn't want to be there. Does not want to be there.
No, this is too far.
I'm not sure I want to watch this.
Close your eyes, Saxton. Kick right to the leg.
Listen to this place. It's electric. Will it be? I think so.
He kicks out at 2.
How in the world did he kick out?
Ooh. He's running into some problems here, guys.
Yeah, this flurry's proven to be quite the challenge for him here.
He's been placed in the corner now.
Desperate attempt here to get back on his feet. Uh-oh, pump handle applied. What's coming next?
Awesome driver.
And that can vanquish Axiom. They are out of here. But we still have 2 more participants hoping to run the gauntlet. This gauntlet just got more interesting with the arrival of Logan Paul.
Hoisted all the way up. Raw power.
I felt the vibration of that one from all the way over here.
Just a relentless series of strikes.
Everything working against Logan Paul now.
Paul has to wake up and fast. Top of that turnbuckle is not where you want to be.
Oh, what are they going to do here? Oh, this is going to be nasty.
For an avalanche phantom driver.
And Logan Paul is laid out.
And a kick out. What on earth?
That's impossible.
I can't believe what we just saw.
And you got to think that all the plans are out the window after that. What a punch. And set right into the corner. Right across the top row. That showed a complete lack of respect for your competition and for our sport.
My, oh my, what elevation.
Oh, goodness, what a moonsault.
Took a gamble once, took a gamble again, and hit the jackpot twice.
Logan is taking command of this one.
It's certainly a smothering offense from Logan here.
Ooh! Vicious right forward. Able to sidestep it. And that was taking the attack to the competition with that one. Oh, just turned that around.
Wow, punch. Will that do it for Logan Paul? Will that do it?
Logan Paul has flight in mind.
Launching. Splash.
He is having his way in this one now.
Stringing together some big moves here.
Breaks the count.
What a match. Whoa!
Oh, slingshot to the outside with a clothesline.
Tossed caution out the window, and it paid off.
Adrenaline is through the roof now.
The WWE Universe has come alive in this one.
They are up and they are vocal. A lot of energy in the room.
Logan Paul has him lined up. Punch right on the money.
Paul's
now in this gauntlet. Who's going to get the glory? Coming our way in the gauntlet now is Rey Mysterio.
Getting air with that forearm.
Rey Mysterio is in some serious trouble.
Rey's got to find a way to defend himself.
Big back body drop.
Crossbody.
Lands the crossbody.
Ooh. Oh, I heard a snap.
Crackle. Pop.
Knee strike connects. And La Cabeza.
Paul creates an opportunity. Big boot.
Don't do it.
Oh, God.
My goodness, I think I heard something break on that crash landing.
Suicide. Tornado. DDT.
That was nuts. That is the attitude of a daredevil. The ability to take risk with minimal trepidation.
No fear, absolute reckless abandon.
Springboard misses the target.
Vicious right forearm.
And a drop kick.
Picture perfect.
And he had Rey's number there. Boom, what a punch.
He went right into that turnbuckle.
What a knockout punch.
Oh, man. Oh, man, inverted backbreaker.
Ow. Gets him in position.
This is not good.
Big right hand. Perched up top. This will not end well.
Fallaway moonsault slam.
It's over. That move on its own will knock the wind out of you, but from that height, it'll...
Look at the height. Frog splash.
Mysterio couldn't avoid the big shot.
Cover. He stays alive. He stays alive.
Giving up has never been part of Rey Mysterio's character. Proof positive right there.
And I get that Paul thought he had him there, but he really needs to follow up. He can't let time cost him this match. Overwhelming offense now for Paul.
Yeah, Paul is proving hard to keep up with.
I don't know about you two, but I can barely hear my own thoughts.
The WWE Universe is making their feelings heard loud and clear. Ooh, sharp kick.
Mysterio is all fired up.
Oh, elbow caught him right on the bridge of the nose. I don't like the look in his eye here, folks.
Flying.
Splash! Mysterio turned his lights off.
2. No, my, that was close.
I'm not sure if he's foolish or courageous, but Logan Paul...
He could be looking for a submission here. Oh, look at this, locked in. Submission move here.
Logan Paul looks to be...
A single leg camel clutch and a great... Ow! Locking up. Great athleticism. Springboard into a hurricane run. Wow. Oh, misses the mark.
Oh, man.
Boom.
Followed in with a clothesline. Watch the athleticism. Satellite DDT.
The springboard attack fails to land. Oh, look at the moonsault. And just got caught with that DDT.
Oh, wicked kick to the lower back.
And right now,
Mysterio hits a beautiful springboard frog splash.
Now Ray needs to end this.
oh, shoulder up before 3.
Logan Paul showing why you just can't underestimate him in this game. He's got that insatiable hunger. He's got that never-ending gas tank.
And Mysterio clearly frustrated over that kick out, asking himself, what do I have to do next?
Split-legged moonsault.
Attempting high-risk move after high-risk move at a breakneck pace.
Nice cross body.
A calculated attack here against Logan.
Heavy work being done to Logan Paul right now.
Kick to the midsection. Setting them up.
Destroyer.
Rey Mysterio now. Oh, look out.
Number 1. Here comes the second. And around and out for the third.
The Three Amigos.
And more attacks to his core could hinder his offense. He wants it one more time.
Well, now the one that could take the whole complexion of this match. And there's Rey dealing with another heavy-handed attack.
Logan now might be tasting the blood in the water.
Missed timing with that springboard.
Big forearm. Logan Paul has something brewing.
Oh, right to the face.
And it looks like Rey is busted open now.
There are plenty of ways battling in this area could end in serious harm.
Oh, Grit. Rearranging our ringside furniture here. Clearing the announce desk. What a mess. Amazingly executed once more.
Climbing to the top rope.
Soaring. What? Taken out from high above. You gotta be some special kind of crazy to do that.
Well-placed elbow to break up the maneuver. And he gets delivered back into the ring. Flying forearm connects. Big boot. Just a relentless assault from Logan Paul.
Paul's doing a great job remaining engaged with the opposition.
Delivers the cross body. Logan Paul going up top. Look at the height.
Frog splash.
Logan Paul might just have it.
The cover. Hangs on by a thread.
A kick out. We're seeing the never say die attitude of Rey Mysterio.
And I get that Paul thought he had him there, but he really needs to follow up. He can't let time cost him this match. Swinging neck breaker.
Textbook.
Rey just can't stop this attack.
Mysterio's fairy tale's looking dark, gentlemen.
And that failed to hit the mark. Uh-oh. Flapjack.
Way up there. Bam!
He's one step ahead there.
Whoa, leaping through the air.
Oh, a knee.
Lights out.
He's going for it all.
Here we go.
Oh, high impact.
Top rope, putting it all on the line.
Look at the height.
Frog splash. unloading their best shot once more.
Logan Paul picks up the victory in an impressive fashion.
Here is your winner, Logan Paul!
Ran the gauntlet and came out on top.
And this match has already gone viral, all thanks to Paul and his never-ending success.